Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Following that, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like for example, location. Then select one of your apps, in my case Booking, and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Booking just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. You can also just tap on one of your apps that you wish to manage and choose See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of them only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!